I'm Doug Collane, Fire Marshal for Martin County. An effective fire prevention program depends on good housekeeping and being attentive to your surroundings. We have a new program we're rolling out that lets business owners do their own fire safety survey. It is called the Business Occupant Safety Survey, or BOSS program. Keeping your fire alarm code compliant is part of your responsibility as a business owner. Fire Inspector George Hodge explains what to look for.
Hello, my name is George Hodge, Martin County Fire Rescue. Today, we are reviewing a fire alarm panel and how to check to make sure the tags are current and up to date with your system. You also want to make sure that your AC power is in the green light and it reads all systems normal. Also, in Martin County, we use a third-party reporting system known as the Compliance Engine for reporting all fire alarm reports to Martin County Fire Rescue. For more information on fire alarms, please visit our website at www.martin.fl.us and search for fire prevention.